and welcome to Reworking with Riva, a series where I turn something old into something new. Today, I will be reworking this old pair of skinny jeans into a new pair of flared jeans. For this tutorial, you'll need old jeans, fabric shears, measuring tape, tailor's chalk, seam ripper, pins, and a sewing machine. First, start by seam ripping the cuffs of your jeans. After your cuffs look like this, mark the place where you want the flare to start and measure the distance till the cuffs. Then, seam rip the side of the jeans till the mark you made. After seam ripping, your jeans should look like this. Next, take your extra fabric and cut out 4 triangles and pin them to the side of the jeans for the flare. Once you have pinned these triangles, your jeans should look like this. And now we're ready to stitch. Be sure to stitch on the wrong side of the jeans. Next, fold the cuff once and stitch. Then fold the cuff once again and stitch. And you're done! I really prefer the look and feel of flared jeans much more than skinny jeans. I loved how this turned out and I really hope you like it too. If you liked this tutorial, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to catch you in the next one.